Titiro, look, here comes Tamanui Te Rā. Morena, Mr. Sun. Morena, Pāpā Rākau. Kia ora, my name is Kōkā. Here in the forest with me live 5 Patupaiarehe. Let's meet them. Time to wake up, Tākaro Tribe. Kia ora, Tākaro Tribe.
Kia ora, Kōkā.
What are you doing today?
Oh, we're melting away, Kōkā. Oh, the sun is so hot. But we're still having fun. Let's celebrate with the waiata. Ngā hoi o te waka e tia, e ranga. Ngā hoi o te waka e ranga, whakatere a te waka. Te tauihu o te waka, wahia, 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 wahia ngā ngaru o te moana, kia rere pokina. Te kaiungi o te waka, koropetia, 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 koropetia te waka, kia tika, kia tau ai ki uta. Ngā hoe o te waka, ngā hoe o te waka, Heoi.
Waia, wow, wow, wow! Tēnā koutou, Tākaro Tribe.
Wow! What's the Matapaiarehe weather forecast today?
It's a hot day today. Tamanui Te Rā is shining brightly. You must wear paina rā, sunblock to avoid getting burns. It's also a great day to play outside. Bring on summer!
Ooh, I hope we have a fun day.
A kete has been gifted to you by Te Wao Arapū. Inside is the word of the day.
Let's spell the word. Summer.
Ka pai, Tākaro Tribe. Arawhau, summer is the word of the day.
What should we do on this summer day?
Perhaps Pāpā Rākau has an idea.
Amariki mā, noho mai ki aku kakiaka, whakarongo mai ki ngā kōrero o te ao marama. Aue.
Ah, Tākaro Tribe, you've arrived.
Kia ora, Pāpā
whiu. Summer is finally here.
You bet. I'm melting from the heat.
Stand in the cool shade under my branches.
Pāpā Rākau, what game should we play? Now it's Arawhiu, summer.
Let's see what our friends like to do on hot summer days.
Pāpā Rākau. How do we get to the beach?
Boo will take you. She won't be long.
Yay!
Ha ha! I found it. This is my magic box.
Oh!
All you have to do is think about the object you want, then pull it out of the box.
How fantastic, Pāpā Rākau! Thank you for this taonga gift. Watch out! Out of the way!
Sorry, my friends. The wind was a bit too strong. All aboard Tākaro Tribe.
Karakia first, Pooh. Angi hauraro mātai hei mai. Puritia auta atai. Tēnā te pau o tangaroa. Kare ki moana nui ki moana roa. Te papa nui o tangaroa.
Remember to use the magic box, Tākaro Tribe.
Hei korea, Pāpā Rākau.
There's the sea.
Yay! It's really hot here.
Don't forget your sunblock.
We already have it on, Pooh. Let's see what's in the box. Remember what Pāpā Rākau said? Just think of something and it will magically appear. Do you want to go first or? It's a beach ball. Do you want to play passes? Wow, a frisbee! Leapy ready! It's a bucket and a shovel for making sandcastles. Let's go, Yay! What a fun day! Let's celebrate with a song! Pakana atama tu hoi hoi. Kua ana te pohu tuka wa ngā tohu.
Ngā Tākaro Tribe.
Kia ora, Kōkā.
How was your day today?
Pāpā Rākau gave us his magical box to play with. It's super magical.
Great to hear, Tākaro Tribe. Let's spell the word of the day.
Summer.
I hear Pāpā Rākau calling you.
Tākaro Tribe, you had a lot of fun with the magic box.
There were many fun activities that came out of it.
Excellent. Let's look at what you did today. Wao's weather forecast told us it's summertime. I gave you a magical box to play with. Out came some fun things. You also learned to spell the word of the day. What a fun day that was.
What a fun day, Tākaro Tribe. Time to say goodnight. Po Mārie. Good night, Tākaro Tribe.
Horoia tō mata, parai he hia o niho. Kuhuna o kakamoe po Mārie. E kuhu ki te moenga, takoto iho ki raro. E pai ai o moe moe ia. Kia au tō moe, e pai